Hi everyone, welcome to Rain or Shine Storytime. And we are going to go on a special adventure and we would like you to come with us. Would you like to go on a nature hunt?
Yeah.
All right, we're going to read this story. We're going on a nature hunt. And we would like you to come with us. Should we go?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Come on. We'll search high and low. We're going on a nature hunt. We're going on a nature hunt. We'll search high and low. We're going on a nature hunt. Now it's time to
Go.
We're coming to a bridge, a narrow, shaky bridge. What's on the other side? Let's find out. Cross, cross, cross to the other side.
Okay.
Cross, cross, cross to the other side. Cross, cross, crossing the bridge, crossing the bridge. It's a field of fluttery, buttery wildflowers. Look at those colorful flowers, but don't pick them. Look, it's a field of
But
fluttery, buttery wildflowers. Oh, look at those colorful flowers. You want to smell? You can smell them, but don't pick them.
I feel like cookies.
Cookies. We're going on a nature hunt. We'll search high and low. We're going on a nature hunt. Now it's time to
Go.
We're coming to a pond, a clear and sparkling pond. What's in the pond? Let's find out. Paddle, paddle, paddle to the lily pad. Paddle, paddle, paddle to the lily pad. What's that? It's a slippery, sloppery
Frog.
frog. Look at that frog jump and swim, but don't scare it. We're going on a nature hunt. We'll search high and low. We're going on a nature hunt. Now it's time to
Go.
We're coming to a meadow, a wide and hilly meadow. What's in the ground? Let's find out. Dig, dig, dig down into the ground. Dig, 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 dig into the ground.
Oh, it's
Oh. It's a
worm.
worm. Look at that wiggly waggly worm. But don't hurt it. Oh, look at that cute worm. He's got a smile on his face. Oh, look at that cute little worm.
Oh, do they poop?
Oh, there's little poop. Little worm poops. Oh, he's crawling up your sleeve. Let's go put him back in the dirt.
Okay, I want to come on.
We're going on a nature hunt. We'll search high and low. We're going on a nature hunt. Now it's time to
Go.
We're coming to a tree, a tall and leafy tree. What's in that tree? Let's find out.
Do it.
Climb, climb, climb up the crooked branch. It's a scritchety, scratchety nest. Look at those eggs in the robin's nest. But don't touch. Look at those eggs in the robin's nest. But don't touch. What's that noise? It's very close by. It's making a buzzing sound. Bzz, bzz, bzz. It's a
beehive.
Beehive.
Let's
go! Back down the tree. Back down the tree. Okay, run. Back through the meadow. Hurry! Back across the pond. Back over the bridge. We're home. We went on a nature hunt. The day went by so fast. We went on a nature hunt. Now we're home at last. We made it! We're home at last. Thank you everyone for joining us on our nature hunt. That was so much fun. And we can't wait to read another story with you next time. We'll see you later.
Bye.
Bye. That was so much fun.